Hey guys, it's your girl Towelie fucking Mars. Now I'm gonna show you guys today how this girl go from a little fucking troll to a little Bobby doll. So let's get it, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the fucking eyeshadow palette that I'm using. It is fucking gorgeous and I am cheap. So guys, I did buy this at fucking Walmart and I had like all the colors, all the glitter things that I had wanted. So that's why I fucking picked it up because fire. Like I don't care where you guys like. For all that crap is just over crap price. Overpriced crap. Yeah, you guys get it. Anyways, this is gonna be the fucking kaleidoscope. This is fucking by Perfusion fucking Cosmetics. Fucking gorgeous as fuck. It's got all the fucking cute ass colors in there. Like, check that shit. Like, fucking beautiful, right? Fucking beautiful. And then my nails top it off. Ooh, dang, baby. Alright, so right now I'm gonna show you guys the colors that I'm gonna be using today. Man, my palette's a little bit dirty, but still fucking cute as hell. Anyways, right now I'm gonna be using this color right here, Marble. It's kind of like a pinkish purple, depending on the way you like shine at it. It looks fucking like on. It looks fucking like gorgeous, fucking amazing. Then right here we're gonna be using Beat. That's gonna be the orange color to give it like an autumny kind of look. But like I'm a star, so you gotta pop with that fucking Marble. Anyways, and then what's gonna complete the look is the inside, and it's gonna be Spangled. It's that white color. It looks fucking. Just trust me. Like that's gonna bring the whole look together. Like, woo. Okay, now glasses off. Coming out like the fucking superhero that I am, thinking I'm fucking Superman when I clearly got the Joker hair. Or if you want to fucking be a hero, I can be the Hulk, like the She-Hulk. Ooh. Anyways, let's get started. So what I always like to start with personally, just because I honestly know nothing about makeup. I know that all the brushes I'm going to be using, you're going to be like, what? Like, why are you using that? That isn't for that. Well, I've also learned that there is no wrong way to use makeup. You can use lipstick on your eyes. You can use eyeshadow on your lips. Like, you can literally do anything with your makeup. Nothing is wrong as long as the look comes together and you're like, and then you look fine. You know what I mean? So, okay. So, now we got the light on me and shit. I use two different brushes, so I can use two different colors. And, yeah, so what I'm going to be using on the outside... What I'm going to be using on the outside is going to be the fucking Beat. So I'm going to use this brush right here, and what I'm going to do is I get it slightly wet, so just getting it a little bit wet kind of helps the pigment stay a little bit better. I learned that actually from a dude. I was working at oil change place. At this oil change place, he was like some gothic dude that I used to hang out with. Shout out Benji. Yeah, I know you're not watching this, but still. He was just like, yeah, I wore the black makeup and it wasn't staying. And he was just like, how I got it to stay was my girlfriend told me to wet the brush. So technically it was from a girl, but I got it, the info from a man. Like, you could be anyone and do this shit. So what I like doing, okay, is like right here on the crease, and you're gonna start going upward, because if you don't do that, it just like, it falls everywhere. So you're gonna go from the crease right here, right there on the fucking crease, and then you're gonna go outwards. You do this first, that way whenever you get on the lid, the powder falls on there and, you know, mixes the color of the makeup. So let's get started on this. Bam, 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 in the crease, probably getting everywhere. I'm gonna get a little bit more. You know, you just kind of repeat the process, go over it until it's a bright color. You guys do not understand how much I love this palette. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of the other color to make it like a brighter thing, but it's kind of like a brownish orange color. But damn, like together with that, since the other one has kind of like a yellowy pigment and this one has like a brownish orange pigment, it just makes it that perfect orange. I forgot to tell you, so the color on the palette is going to be called Fuego, I don't know, something like that. I know it's not supposed to be Mexican, but Fuego sounds right. Okay, now that the color's fucking on, we're gonna use the other fucking brush. Oh, bam, get it a little bit wet too. And then we're gonna be going in with that marble color. That marble color is, I'm telling you, it's like one of my favorite colors on the fucking palette. Well, I like pink and purple. I used to think I hated that color, but my favorite color is still green. That's why I have the green in here. I just feel like purple and pink just go with my complexion, so that's why I made my whole Towelie Mars thing looking purple. Just, you know, gotta do it. Also, if you want to think about it, just a little fun fact. My dad was from Carrizo Springs, which the city or town colors are purple and gold, and then the rival town, which my mom is originally from, was green and gold. So now look at and then like I'm the gold too. I'm golden, baby. Okay. So anyways, back to getting this marble on the eyelid. Now this is where you see like there might be a little bit of fuck up where there's orange right here, but whenever you go on the lid and you go over it with the next color, it just completely gets you. Right, sorry guys, but my video was rudely interrupted by some random person I don't even know on Facebook. So I didn't even notice that while I was putting on the fucking powder and shit like that, that my video was cut off. So I'm back on it, the pink is on, so like I said before, all you have to do is, you know, boom, boom, boom. You do want to wet the brush just a little bit to catch the pigment a little bit better, but you don't want to like soak that shit. Never soak that shit. You'll just get drippy water all over your fucking face. So I got it on both eyes, looking cute. Of course, always fucking cute. And the last thing that we're gonna go with is a fucking spangle. I use like different types of brushes that I have got from different sets. It came with like a palette that came with like these brushes, like this one I also need to wash. This one I use for my foundation. I used to contour, but I feel like my face kind of already does like a little thing, so whenever I do that contour and shit, it just looks like somebody punched me in the face. Maybe I'm using something too dark. Like I said, I don't know jack shit about makeup, so the fact that I make this shit work is a fucking miracle. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna get the fucking spangle. Spangle. And we're gonna go from like right here and just go around the fucking eye. I'm not sure if you saw that right, just like that. You're doing like a crescent moon type shape. The reason you do that, I really don't know. I just know that I started doing that and it looks like, that fire. You know what I mean? So literally all I do is go like that and bring it out. Get it going up. Hot. I don't know why I would just keep the brush next to me. Use this fucking shit. So you just pull it up a little bit and then pull it down a little. If you mess up a little, it's alright because you're still going to go over it with eyeliner, and then whenever you put on your foundation, it gets off all the excess crap. There you go. Eye. Cute. That's all I can do. Okay, and then after you do that shit, obviously the eyeliner now. Eyeliner, I've never been that great with. One thing I will give people as a pointer is, they're not twins, they're sisters. Just like, I get fed up with the fucking eyeliner all the fucking time, like, all the time. I'll do one, I'm just like, no, this ain't right. And then I try to do it again, so that's why I'm just like, I just come with the fucking fact that I've come to the conclusion that they just have to be sisters. They have to look similar enough where people don't notice that they're not the same. Okay, so let's get it. Like I said, I'm really big on using, like I said before, I'm not really big on using fucking Sephora makeup. The only thing I do use in like makeup from Sephora is the foundation. Because foundation, I don't know. I just feel like if I get something from the drugstore, I'm gonna get the wrong thing and it's not gonna last me all day, blah blah bullshit. Anyway, so I do buy fucking makeup, just foundation from fucking Sephora and shit. Right here. It's a little bit hard for me to do because I'm used to just being like up close and personal on my fucking mirror, but I'm trying to show you guys what the fuck I'm doing, right? Okay. Alright, so what I always do is you do gotta kind of like pull your like, that's why I do the foundation last, because I pull this so that way I get like a straight fluent line. Right now I am using, what is it called? Hyper Easy Maybelline New York. It is a waterproof one because I like waterproof shit, because you never know what you're gonna do in a fucking day, right? You never fucking know. But yeah, so what you gotta do is like just kind of pull it a little bit out like that, and then like close your eyes a little, you know, work your fucking magic, do your brujeria, bitch. Okay, so anyways.
How I do it. You know, I start from the middle because if I start from right here and like the little corner of my eye, I always fuck up and make it way too thick. So you know, just do it right there and then pull it into the fucking inside like that. Okay, see, and then
I go to the other eye, do the same thing, and then we do the wing. The wing is last, guys. The wing has to be last if you want them to look like sisters. You know, the closer I get to the camera, I'm like, oh my god, man, acne, guys. Makeup gives me acne. And I've been trying to get rid of it, but it doesn't help that these fucking face masks that they're making us wear all the time, it's not helping with the complexion. I wear those bitches and I'm like, I don't care if I put a new one on every time, just like, you know, my fucking breath in my face and shit like that. I'm like, that shit's fucking with me bad. I can't wait till the fucking corona's over with. I thought it was over with. They're fucking talking about shutting down the country. And like, god damn. Okay, now here, let's go to the wing. You start right here at the waterline and kind of just pull it up. You do want to like I said, just fucking spread your face out. And stop it right there. Ooh. And then once you do that, you fucking pull that little line out like that. Then you go from right here and you just start like, you know, making your way out to the fucking tip again, so you can have that fucking sharp razor cut eyeliner. Shit, you want to cut a bitch with your gaze. Yeah, so give me a second, I'm gonna fucking do it here on the side because that's how I'm used to doing it, and then I will show you how it looks. Okay, so there's one eye. Cute. But yeah, you gotta kind of like do all sorts of weird squinty shit, that way whenever like you close your eyes and shit like that, it doesn't look all like whack. Because I am very bad at doing that half the time. Now if you fuck up on the other one, then you might have to just make this one thicker or whatever the fuck the other one did. Like, you know, you just fucking work with your shit. So I'm gonna do the same thing but here on the other eye. I always go to this mirror just so I can sit up and be all close and personal to my mirror, because that's how I do. That's how I fucking do it. This is how it looks like afterwards whenever you fucking like, you know, make them sisters. Like I was trying to say before, but I always get rudely fucking interrupted by random people I do not know on Facebook. I do not know you. Do not video chat me. Do not call. I don't know you. Anyways, so whenever you fuck up, what you want to do is use a fucking Q-tip, because if you use your fingers, you're just gonna end up fucking up your whole shit. It just does not work. Do not do that. Use the Q-tip. The Q-tip, your best friend. That's how I do this fucking brujeria in my face, bitch. So anyways, throw a little bit of foundation on and shit before I do the fucking, like, my eyelashes. By the way, eyelashes make your whole face. Like, I don't give two shits when people say, oh, who looks at your fucking eye? I look at your fucking eyelashes. Eyelashes are Jesus! So I'm like, this is the fucking eyelashes that I like using. It's Kiss. Just like this one's Russian Volume. This one's like the ones that like almost touch your, no, they touch my fucking eyebrows. I'm not gonna lie. Whenever I be wearing my glasses, I feel them fluttering against my lens. Anyway, so I'm like, my tutorial was on the eye shit, so I'm just putting on my fucking foundation. How I do. You give it a second to dry before you place it on your fucking eye. Like give it like 10-15 seconds before you place it, because then it's just gonna be a wet mess. You're gonna get fucking black up here, down here. It's just gonna get all over the place, and it's stupid, guys. Like, just give it a little tiny little blow it like you're blowing your boyfriend. Oh, even better, her. Kidding. Use the tweezers to like place it on your eye. Just bloop, bloop, and then put it where you want. Now, you guys already know. It's Towelie fucking Mars. You better ask about it, baby.